Hi, it's Rachel Smith with Compass Real Estate up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk through one of my favorite homes in Big Bear, 160 Yosemite. So this is a geodesic dome home. So come check this one out. Okay, here we are from the street. Wrought iron gates. Bear Mountain right over here. Really quiet because you're at the tip top of Moon Ridge. And the National Forest is just right behind this house. Okay, so beautiful house. We are going to go in, start at the living room. Just check out every little detail that this house has. So views from the balcony upstairs. Okay, here we are coming in. It's just really a rare sight for homes in Big Bear. Look at those ceilings. And apparently these are one of the strongest built style of homes that you could purchase. And in my lifetime of selling real estate up here, I have seen about 6 of them come on the market. And so in this one, the owner's got some really nice artwork all throughout. Fireplace. And then into the dining room. This is kind of the formal dining area, at least. And then we're gonna go into the kitchen. So really kind of pretty cozy back here. Nice updated appliances. And check out the view out here. I mean, that is just National Forest right behind. In fact, let's just go out there now. So you've got a lot of land to work with also if you wanted to do any sort of landscaping, grading, anything. Who's that?
Mommy, I have to walk around the house, not you.
Okay, show us the rest of the house. Well, we were looking at the backyard. Okay.
Follow me.
Follow you. What's behind that door? Let's see what's in there. Let's see, there's a lot of storage in this house too. And they have used every little nook and cranny that they can for storage. But like, check out all of this over here too. Storage. Okay, we're following you. Let's see the bedrooms down here. This way. Can you show us this stuff first? What's in here?
Here's a bedroom.
Ooh.
And here's a
And these are very unique bathrooms. Nora liked that blue toilet.
No, it's a purple toilet.
It's a purple toilet.
Follow me.
We missed a bedroom. Then we've got another bedroom here.
So here's a couch. And there's a counter.
Thank you. And follow you. Storage up here too.
Follow me.
We want to go upstairs first. Let's go upstairs first.
Follow me. Look at these pink flowers.
Oh, there's pink flowers.
And this.
I bet those things could stay. But this is a nice little office area right here.
And here's an egg. Where does this egg come from?
What's gonna be this way?
Where did this egg come from?
I don't know. I haven't seen the egg. But just admire this from up here on this 3rd floor. And then this is what I would consider the master bedroom.
Bed. Here, come here. Here's this bed.
Storage in the walls. Oh, a chase bed.
And here's a seat.
And another fun bathroom.
And here's a bathtub.
Wow, look at that big soaking tub.
And here's a wee toilet.
And the shower.
And here's this.
And then just storage.
So
You're not lacking in anything that you need in this house. You even have a seat and a trash can. And what's awesome is the natural light that is produced from these big windows too.
Here's
that.
this.
Again?
Here's this couch.
Okay, let's go downstairs.
Let's go downstairs. Have you seen this egg? Look at it. It's so tiny. I think there's a bird in there.
Okay, Nora's gonna bring us downstairs. So we're up over 3,500 square foot on this one. 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 3 stories. So this is basically the second living room, kind of the entertainment area. So you're about halfway underground right here.
And here's this rocking chair.
And then you've got a full bar.
Here's a teapot. And here's a bathroom.
And I want to check out this bar. You've got the
No toilet paper. There's no toilet paper.
got Michelob on tap.
And you have to go see the bathroom. There's no toilet.
Oh, these don't open.
There's no toilet paper. Okay.
Oh my gosh, a
There's
bathroom
only
with
hand washes.
no toilet paper. What are we gonna do? And from here,
There's an orange teapot.
you've got another bedroom. And there's something really cool in this bedroom. See if you can find it. So not only is it a bedroom, it's also a bathroom.
It has toilet paper.
It has toilet paper.
But it doesn't have it in
Oh, in the appropriate spot. But it has a sauna.
sauna. Have you lived here?
I have been in a sauna before.
No, have you been to this circle house?
I have been to this circle house before.
Have you seen these washing hand things?
The washing hand things. And then we still have, so here's where you do your laundry. I lied, not your laundry right there. I think your laundry's in the garage. And then we have, last but not least, the garage.
I want to see the garage. I'll keep the door open.
And I'm sure there's laundry somewhere. Right here, laundry room, and your water heater too. So that is it for our tour today. Okay. Nora, how much money do you think this house is?
22,
22, 23? Nora, it is $1,050,000. Do you have that kind of money?